What's up, everybody? This is Aaron with Great Lakes RC, and we got something a little different here today. I got a Lipo battery in from Awanfi, and they did send this out for review. Big shout out to Steve OD from the 313. He passed along the contact info, and I was able to get in touch with them, and they sent it out to me. So this is how it comes. Not happy? Happy? Thought that was kind of silly. Bunch of warning stuff. And here's the Lipo. This is a 3S, and it's a pretty small battery. It's a 3000 milliamp. But the reason why I wanted to give this one a try is because it comes with this nice strap. The reason why I wanted to try it is because it is a 50C 3000 milliamp battery. So I'm going to try this first in the Rustler, mostly because that stock battery tray fits great for my 2S packs, but not my 3S packs. So I thought it'd be nice to have an option of if you're running 2S, you can pop in a 3S, maybe do a speed run, maybe do, I don't know, a short bash. And then also, I think ultimately I'll use this in my boat. I have a Pro Boat recoil, so I'll probably use that in there because those are all about 3000 milliamp batteries, but they're all about 30 and 35C. The 50C rating should help out with keeping those batteries a little bit cooler, because boats are really tough on batteries. So I wanted to try this out, and I'm really excited. This is the first thing I've ever gotten anything in for review. One thing about this is that it comes with these nice balance plug covers, which I've seen Jen's Ace do that. That's the only other company. I'm sure there's others, but that's all that I've seen. So real quick, we'll plug this into the balance port. So it's coming perfectly balanced, 3.87s across the board, so that is great. And then I just got to solder on my XT150s. And I'll give this a shot in the Rustler. I could also give it a shot in my Rock Ray, because that also has a very thin battery tray. So those are my two candidates for it. So we'll take it out here in one of those cars and see how it performs. What's up, guys? This is Aaron from Great Lakes RC, and we're doing kind of a dual bash here, trying out these snow tires for the first time, and the Awanfi 3S at work again. See what we can do here. Oh yes, traction. So a lot of the snow melted, of course, this morning. Ooh, a little zip there. Oh yeah, it's got good punch. So I got to be careful where I'm launching this sucker, because this goes right into a little creek. Ooh, I almost tripped too. I like the paddle tires. The only thing I don't like is they're not a, they don't have an offset. No 1/2 inch offset on them. Can launch off this one going this way. Whoa, man, I'm slipping everywhere. See this creek right here? Last thing I want to do is drive it in the creek. Is there like a lip there I can't get over? Huh. pretty raw back here. Try to go this way where I can see what I'm doing. Yeah, this might work. Oh, that's some deep snow. Ouch. Damn. Seems like it would be a good spot. Okay. Oh, backflip's real easy with these tires. And we lost a drive shaft. Oh, that was short-lived, everybody. That's the exact same one I already broke. Wow. No, I broke, is it this side? I'll have to look. But I already broke one of these fronts. So apparently, not good drive shafts. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to make this work. Well, the Awanfi seems to be performing pretty good. Happy with that. Not happy with the busted drive shaft again. That's really a shame. It's becoming a common theme of these drive shafts breaking. That was sweet. Really slippery back here too. Yeah, come on, truck, flip over. Making the best of this. don't go down there. That's the thing that irritates you about this truck, is it drives great when it drives. Keeping it going can be a challenge sometimes. Paddle tires really work great on these, great on this snow. Really like them. You can't seem to bring the nose down when you hit the brake. This is the other thing it does, is it wheelie bar gets stuck under the body. And hey guys, that Awanfi's still going. Wow! Body's coming off. Alright. I think that's enough abuse for this little guy. So, kind of a double purpose here. The paddle tires are fantastic, love them. The Awanfi seems to be pretty good. For a 3000 milliamp, it lasted that whole bash. Got a very nice punch, very happy with that. And Rustler plastic drive shafts, really poor. I'm gonna have to get some metal drive shafts, at least for the front. Rear seems to be hanging in there, but 2 times now, since the weather's gotten colder, broken the fronts. So that's it for now, guys. Till next time. Alright, back here from the bash, and there's the Awanfi. Hard to see, but it's 3.72, 3.72, 3.72. So that drew down very equally, which is a great sign to see. When I put this on the charger, the internal resistance was measuring about 15 milliohms, which is pretty average. But for the price of this battery, you know, I think that's fine. So I'm happy with this. I again want to thank Awanfi for sending it out for review. I'll leave a link in the description to the battery, and they also make a 2S, which is 5000 milliamps, so I'll leave a description for that too.